In this video, I'll be showing you how to create individual recipient PDFs using the enterprise version of AvanTax eForms. To get to the PDF creation menu from the home page, navigate to For Reports and click on View and Print Reports. You can also navigate to Reports on the top bar menu and select Reports Center. Once you are in the Reports Center, choose the return slip you will be creating recipient PDFs for. Then, select the report type or slip layout. For this example, I will be using the T4 slips and the standard 2 per page option. On the T4 slips print page, under PDF File Options, check off Separate PDF File for each recipient, and then click More. A dialog will come up where you can set the password and file naming conventions for your PDF slips. Make sure you set a password if you are planning on emailing the slips. Once you have selected appropriate settings in this menu, click Close. To create the PDFs, click Preview PDF. This will preview a combined PDF. We will stop here for now. Thank you for watching this AvanTax eForms QuickHelps tutorial. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.